and then turn it on and about a quarter throttle. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
The light's on?
Yep, it's on. Okay.
Maybe a little more just to get it to choke better. Because we need it to pop.
Yeah, there's no popping.
Not yet. First start, the carb isn't even wet. So,
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna.
You're moving backwards.
I'm gonna I'm gonna move your chair out the way a little bit because it's bouncing this way. I think just as you flip, it's bouncing. It's not me. It's bouncing.
Oh, I thought it was you.
No. You're bouncing the plane a bit. Okay. Maybe I'll hold it so it doesn't bounce.
Here, we'll just close that. Okay. Push that.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, that closes really well.
Yeah.
And I must film you starting for the first time. Aha.
Okay, there's the pop.
There's your pop.
Now I have to open it again and turn off the choke.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
There.
Okie dokes. This should be exciting.